Hey, Earl. Here's today's real-world question. Earl, here's my problem. I've been speaking with a homeowner who owns multiple rental properties and currently works with another management company. He asked me a detailed list of questions before considering switching, about management fees, additional costs, maintenance handling, payout timing, contract terms, listing ownership, advertising platforms, software, double booking prevention, guest communication, access control, and company background. It's a serious conversation. It feels like a real opportunity. I want to give strong, professional answers, but I'm worried about saying something incorrect, creating liability, or not sounding structured enough. I could use help organizing my responses in a way that builds confidence without overpromising. That's where I'm at.
This is what we practice and teach at Real Relief. Here's what we do at Real Relief. This is what happens when you move from interest to due diligence. Owners don't ask this level of detail unless they're comparing operators. What's actually controlling the outcome? Clarity in structure, consistency in language, defined approval thresholds, clear separation of ownership versus management rights. Experienced operators treat this as non-negotiable. Fee structure is simple and defensible. Maintenance approval limits are predefined. Listing and review ownership is contractually clear. Communication flows are documented, not implied. The guardrail. If you can't answer these questions calmly and consistently, the system isn't mature yet, and experienced owners will feel that. This isn't about having perfect answers. It's about showing controlled operations.
When an owner asks detailed questions, they're not testing you. They're testing your system. In summary, below are the reason why JV partners work with Real Relief Consulting. They have landlord leads but stall in the conversation. They get deals under contract but aren't confident in pricing or demand. They want to scale without guessing, hoping, or blowing relationships. We help new and experienced investors close landlord deals and then build the entire operating system so the property actually makes money with midterm and STR guests. This is not theory. Curious where others first realized their system needed tightening, before or after a serious owner call.
Want Earl to break down your situation next? Drop your question below or schedule your discovery call.